Ever wondered how ChatGPT actually works? It's not magic, it's math and billions of examples. In this video, we break down large language models in the simplest way possible. A large language model, or LLM, is an AI trained on massive amounts of text from the internet. Think of it like a student who's read millions of books. It learns patterns in how words connect together, then uses that knowledge to predict what word comes next in a sentence. That's literally how it generates responses. During training, an LLM sees sentences with one word hidden. It guesses that missing word thousands of times until it gets really good at predicting. It learns that cat often follows fluffy, and breakfast comes after eat. Through billions of repetitions, it becomes an expert at understanding language patterns and relationships. The word large refers to two things. The model has billions of parameters, tiny adjustments that refine its predictions, and it's trained on enormous datasets. More data and more parameters mean better understanding. It's like comparing a student who's read one book versus one who's read a million. LLMs can write essays, answer questions, write code, and have conversations. They don't truly understand meaning like humans do. They're incredibly sophisticated pattern matching machines, but that pattern matching is powerful enough to seem intelligent and genuinely helpful for thousands of tasks. Did that make sense? Like this video, subscribe for more AI concepts explained simply, and drop a comment telling us what AI topic confuses you most.